This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Mario Banales. Come and see this freshly updated massive 2-story home that divides space for optimal tranquility and entertainment. Located inside the Vista Palms community, this Columbia floor plan is perfect for a growing family. The first floor showcases an open design that encompasses dining room, kitchen and living room for simplified family living and entertaining. Nearby, the highly desired main floor owner's suite is separate from the upstairs bedrooms and features a large ensuite master bathroom and walk-in closet. The second level hosts a large loft/bonus area perfect to be used as a game room, in-home office, or theater room. 4 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom are also found in the upstairs floor. The entire home has been repainted inside, new carpet has been installed throughout the house, and professional tile cleaning has been done prior to listing. This community includes access to clubhouse, pool, and splash pads. Nearby there is fishing, dog park, biking/walking trail, shopping centers, and right next door the Blue Lagoon. Don't wait. Come and check this home out before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.